Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. A couple of videos ago I asked my wife what she really wanted to eat that evening. She chose fish fingers and chips, which got me thinking, what would I really like to eat? So this is it. As you're well aware, most of cooking is preparation, so the first thing we have to do is get the wife and daughter to do something on Saturday afternoon. Would they fancy a day potholing? Nah, they never get them out of the hole. A couple of tickets to see the Chippendales on tour, and after the money it cost me to bail them out last time. A driving day with supercars? Nah, she already drives like a lunatic. I've got it. A knitting show. She'd mud wrestle a granny to go to one of them. And so it's on to the next stage of the plan. Best we get on and do some cooking. Pubs are open soon. First we have green chilies in batter. As normal, the fullest ingredients can be found down below. First thing we have to do, and it's quite important with this, put a slit in each chili you're going to cook. This is only to stop it splattering and blowing up when you put it in the hot oil. Next you put all the rest of the ingredients in a bowl and add water, splash at a time until a nice gloopy consistency is achieved. Next, bring some oil in a pan, enough to shallow fry up to a medium heat, say 140 degrees. Dip the chilies in the batter mix, making sure they're well coated, and off into the hot oil. And continue to fry the chilies until the batter is nice and crispy and golden brown. You can of course eat these straight from the pan, but we're going to let them go cold and have them later on. The next recipe on my menu for this evening is vegetable pakoras. Again, the list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. This is another simple recipe. In a large bowl, add all the ingredients together and using your hands, mash and mix until the mixture starts to hold together. If you need to add a splash of water to do this, that's fine, but persevere with the mashing method first. Using the same pan as we cooked the chilies in, at the same temperature, 140 degrees C, divide the mixture into 4 or 5 equal pieces, place them in the hot oil and fry on both sides till nice and golden brown. These pakoras again can be eaten hot or cold. This time we save them for cold. Last thing we'll be cooking today is chicken tikka thighs. First we have to prepare the thighs. With the skin already removed, take a sharp knife and slash the flesh 2 or 3 times on each thigh so the marinade will mix in. Then, you've guessed it, put all the rest of the ingredients into a bowl, mix together, add the chicken thighs and mix in until it's well coated in the marinade. Allow the chicken to marinate in the fridge for 2 hours. What am I going to do for 2 hours? I'll think of something, nothing if not inventive. Mind you, I bet my family have got a good idea where I'm off. Well, it is Saturday afternoon. They have left me all on my own, and food's not ready, so where else will I go? When editing the pub footage, my wife actually said, "Do you really drink 4 pints of Guinness?" I pointed out that us creators have to suffer for our art, and considering I messed up the footage of the first pint, it was actually 5, she didn't take it too well. She called me irresponsible. 22 years it's taken that woman to work that out. 22 years. Ah, home sweet home. Anyway, on with the cooking. Shake off the excess marinade off the chicken, lay on the grill pan, and place in an oven 180 degrees C for 25 minutes. When the 25 minutes are up, remove from the oven, turn the chicken over, place it back in the same oven at 180 degrees C for a further 20 minutes or until thoroughly cooked through. Here are the 3 dishes all together, and one more final ingredient, a cold beer. then to eat it and crown the day off properly. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the next one. Bye for now.